I would have to say my biggest challenge is what is defining my definition of success. Because before, when I first started, it was do as many deals, get as big, grow as much as I can. And as I have gotten to that, we talk about it's not a destination, it's a process. You keep getting there and you think that your life is going to get better or change in some way, and all of a sudden you've fucking arrived. When you get there and you grow to that extent, you realize that's not the case. And sometimes you sacrifice a lot in the name of success. I have sacrificed my kids' birthdays. I have worked on Christmas. I have done a lot of things to get where I am. And then as I grow and evolve, I've realized maybe that wasn't my dream, or maybe my dream has changed. So I think constantly growing and evolving and realizing what my definition of success is and realizing that it can change has been my biggest struggle.